Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will give you my OFA challenge review guys. So guys, if you are looking for what is OFA challenge and who is for OFA challenge and what is the price of OFA challenge, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I will tell you each and everything about one funnel away challenge guys. Right guys? So guys, without any delay, let I tell you about one funnel away challenge guys. Guys, actually it's a program by Russell Brunson, or you can say it's a 30 days workshop by Russell Brunson guys, where you will be learning about how to start your online business, right? Or you can say, in other words, you will be learning like how to create your hook, how to create your story, how to create your offer, or how to create your sales funnel so that you can sell your own product or someone else product as an affiliate marketer, like as I do guys, right? So guys, it's a 30 days training where every day you will be getting a lesson that hey, this is what you need to do on day one, and on day two you will get another lesson, hey, this is what you need to do on day two. So till day 30th, every day you will be getting a lesson to start your online business guys. You know that Russell Brunson, he has more than 15 years of experience about this online industry, so he knows what works and what doesn't. So whatever he will teach you in this training, that is scientifically proven to work guys, right? So guys, you can see that guys, this another training is going to start right from 30th December, right? And registration ends date is December 29th guys, right? And yeah, you can see there.
The first thing you need, the second thing,
you
the
can
third
watch.
Pretend like these are humans because they are.
Until there, you can see trailer video. You can see.
Like, what is the whole concept behind that? For everybody, it's different. For some of you guys, you're in a job you hate and you're trying to get out of that, right? For some of you guys, you are entrepreneurs, you got a business and maybe it's stuck and it's not where you want it to be yet. And some of you guys, it's one funnel that helps you get the bigger impact. My goal of this challenge is to help you guys to design and architect and understand what that funnel is and how it's going to work for you specifically. Belief is the most important part involved in all of this. I need you to believe this will work for you. For some reason, people think because it's a funnel, it's like this magic nerdy thing. It's like, no, it's people are people. This is just a process we're taking somebody through. The funnel is like having the best salesperson on earth take somebody through the process and finding exactly what they need. The difference between what happens here in a store and what happens here is I don't have to have a salesperson.
So then you can watch, right? By going official website of One Funnel Away Challenge. By the way, down below I'm also putting the link so that you can watch the official website of One Funnel Away Challenge, right? So let I you can say tell you the price of joining this One Funnel Away Challenge, right? I will talk about. So by the way, okay, let me tell you some of the bonuses that you will be getting when you join One Funnel Away Challenge. So you can see you will get 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, 30 days of coaching from Stephen Larson and Julie Stone guys. These two are world-class coach guys. So yes, you will be getting coaching from Stephen Larson and Julie Stone guys, right? So yes, One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit, physical copy of the challenge workbook, yeah, this one, right? MP3 player you will be getting. 30 days hardcover book, right? This one. Actually, in this book, there are 30 experts, those who have made $1 million with their single funnel in their niche, and they have revealed that what they will do if they lose everything, guys. So they have shown their blueprint, exact blueprint of 30 days. So yes, in this book you will be learning everything about their strategy and their tricks, that what they will do if they lose everything, right? So it's a so here this book you will be getting, right, if you go with a physical version of One Funnel Away Challenge, right? And here your unlimited access to 30 days interviews. So yes, you can say when you join One Funnel Away Challenge, so you will be also getting their interviews of 30 experts where they have revealed everything that what they will do if they lose everything, right? So it's in video format, right, that you will be getting. Behind the scenes 2 comma color interviews, yes, same thing that you will be getting, right? And yeah, you can see these are the bonuses that you will be getting, right? And yeah, this is MP3 player that you will be getting, right? So now yes, you can see Russell Brunson gonna teach you plus Julie Stoyan and Stephen Larson. So these three are your coach. They are going to teach you in this 30 days workshop or 30 days training, right? And price is yes guys. So guys, if you buy or you can say register for digital version, then you need to pay $100, right? And yes, if you go with their physical version plus digital version, then you need to pay you can say shipping charges, and this shipping charges is based on your country, right? So it's a $19.95 guys, right? So based on your country, so if you are from USA, then this is the price, you can say $100 plus $19.95 that shipping charge that you need to pay. If you are international, into say outside USA, then you need to pay $29.95 international shipping and handling charge, right? So for getting these bonuses, physical version like MP3 player, book 30days.com book, and this worksheet, right? So this thing you will be getting. And if you go for only digital version, then yes, you will be only getting their previous recording of One Funnel Away challenge, right? So it is in digital format that you will be getting, right? So it's up to you guys, right? So this is what you will be getting. Now let I show you the inside look of this One Funnel Away challenge training, guys, right? Actually, you know that guys, I have purchased, right? You can see. So this is the email that I have received from Russell Brunson, right? And now this is the inside look, guys, right? When you join One Funnel Away challenge, so this is the, you can say, inside look of membership area. So you can say mission training, right? So you must believe, right? So this is the first training, and you will be also getting it, right? And now here you can see this is the training by Russell Brunson, right? That you will be getting, right?
Hey everyone, this is Russell Brunson.
And now Stephen Larson, right? It is his coaching call, right? So you can see that, guys. Mission 1, mission 2. So it's a pre-training, guys, right? It's a pre-training, right? That you will be getting first, failure, then who, not how, 10x secrets, you can see, right? It's a pre-training that you will be getting. And now your training will start like you join on for 30th December training. So yes, first week you will be getting pre-training, and then your actual training will start right from 6th or 7th January, right? Where every day you will be getting lesson in your email, as well as you will also having access of Facebook group, right? Where you can ask your questions and you will be answered, right? So yes, you will be getting a designated community where you can say you can ask your questions, right? And you will be assigned coach, and you will be getting your live training too, guys, right? So yes, this is the great training, guys. If you are really serious, then yes, you must go with that, right? So you can see that, guys, this first week, so offer hacking, right? So you will be just getting a lesson that what is offer hacking, right? And then e-cover, offer assets, right? So it's a training by Stephen Larson, guys, right? And then you will be getting notes, and then create, right? You can say it's a training by Julie Stoyan, right? And first you can say it's a training by Russell Brunson, right? So here, like Russell Brunson, in Russell Brunson video, you will be getting the exact blueprint, right? And then Julie Stoyan, through Julie Stoyan coaching, she will execute you, like she will showing you everything. Hey, this is what you need to do, and this is how you need to do it, right? So she will showing you the live example, guys, through the coaching, right? So yes, e-covers and offer sites, catch-up day, and then publishing, epiphany breeze, your origin story, hooks, right? You can see that, right? So it's a coaching by Stephen Larson, and then in this training, Russell Brunson will talk about hooks, right? Hooks means like just to grab the attention, right? So how to create your hook, right? And then you can see share funnel. Then you will be learning that how to create your squeeze page. You can see, right? Share funnel link. You can also download the funnel link, right? That you can do. Then sales page training you will be getting, right? And then audio page, membership area, right? So, and you will be also getting about 3 types of traffic, right? And yes, plus you will be getting like these, you can say these are the 30 experts interviews that you will be getting access to their interview videos, right? And you can see Liz Manning, right? Julie Stoyan, Stephen Larson, right? You can see their PDF book. You can say you can also download their, you can say 30 days blueprint in PDF book, guys, right? So yes, you can also watch their interview, right? Hooks. So you can see that, guys, right? So you can see till for you can say 38 days. It's a week 4 mission 7, right? So you will be getting training, plus you will be getting like as I told you, 30days.com book submit interview. So yes, these are 30 days, 30 experts, those who have shared their 30 days blueprint, that what they will do if they lose everything, guys, right? So same thing, you will be getting access to that, and plus you will be getting like so it's a affiliate bootcamp summit. So in that case, guys, if you are affiliate marketer, right? And so in that case, like you can say, let I show you here there are, you can say 14 to 15 experts, you can say these are super affiliate, and they have revealed their exact blueprint that what they will do to start their affiliate marketing business right from zero A to Z, guys, right? So they will teach you, or you can say tell you each and everything about their exact blueprint. And guys, these super affiliates are, you can say 6-figure entrepreneur, right? So yes, you will be getting a PDF book plus their you can say their videos, right? Their video series. Here it is not opening, so yes, it will be right. Yeah, this one. So yes, here I need to just log in into my account, right? I'll show you. So this is my right. Yes, you can see that, guys, right? So these are the experts, right? Steve J. Larson, Dave Gambriel, Rachel Patterson, Jim Edwards, Greg Jeffries, right? So you will be getting their video series where they have revealed their blueprint, right? What they will do to start their affiliate marketing business, right? So you can see it's a summit interview, right? And they have seen everything, right? If you want to watch. Right. And yes, you will be also getting ebook, right, when you join One Funnel Away challenge, guys. So yes, it is you can say in this book they have revealed their blueprint, so it's in PDF format, guys, right? So yes, it's up to you whether you can watch their video or you can also read PDF, guys. So it's up to you, guys, right? So guys, these are the things that you will be getting when you join One Funnel Away challenge. So guys, here I would highly recommend you guys, if you are really serious, right, about taking your online business to the next level, or you want to learn how to start your online business step by step, right? Or you want to start your affiliate marketing business, then guys, this training is for you guys, right? Guys, don't miss this opportunity to learn from the best guys, right? So yes, if you're really serious, go and join One Funnel Away challenge, guys, right? And yes guys, if you join One Funnel Away challenge through my link, then I will give you my bonuses over 5K guys, right? So yes, down below I'm also just putting the link so that you can check out my bonuses, right? When you join One Funnel Away challenge, just send me the link, send me your a receipt, right, on my email address, that is contact@whateveriknow.com, and I will send you my bonuses that I'm offering to you, right? So yes, down below I'm just putting the link so that you can check my all the bonuses that I'm giving you for free guys, right guys? So yes, this is all about for today guys, right? And now if you have any questions, then please do let me know. I will personally help you, right guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.